Hello and welcome. Today, we'll show you how to convert your AutoCAD DWG file to KML in just one click using a simple LISP file. First, you need to upload the LISP file into your AutoCAD. Once the file is loaded, type IRT in the command bar and press enter. A dialog box will appear. Here, you'll first need to select the coordinate system that is appropriate for your country. Then, set the map type to KML export. After that, select the desired folder where you want to save your file. Once all the settings are correct, click OK. Now, select the object or objects that you wish to convert to KML and press enter. AutoCAD will then prompt you to save the file. Simply save the file in your designated folder and click OK. Finally, AutoCAD will ask if you want to open the file directly in Google Earth. Click OK, and your drawing will open instantly on the Google Earth screen. Thank you for watching.